So this video is actually intended for my good friend and bike buddy Orlen Sabinorio to convince him to buy himself an action camera. So if you're like me, fond of taking videos sa mga rides, an action camera would be the best gadget to bring along with. We'll be comparing two action cameras. One from DJI Osmo Action 4 and also an X4 from Insta360. So these are my jigs. So meron akong dalawa. Ito. One for the Osmo Action 4 and one for the Insta360. So both are telesin. No? I just got it from Shopee. And bumili rin ako ng parang handlebar extension also from Shopee, mura lang yan. And of course, just to secure the selfie stick, I attached it here just to remind you, since you are investing on action cameras, and action cameras don't go cheap, invest on quality jigs na rin, ano, kasi there was a time we were cruising down Tagaytay and nahulog yung X3 ko and the lenses were scratched. Still shipping it to Hong Kong for repair or replacement. So what I'm trying to record here now is the sound quality being captured of the cameras. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mas maganda, no? I think the surrounding is quite good enough to give us a estimate kung gaano kaganda yung sound quality ng audio. Okay. So I'm also recording myself using my phone here, and let's see, again Nan tsaka King. Hopefully this year matuloy na ang dalaw niya sa akin dito sa Bataan and matapos na natin yung Subic Loop. So that's for the sound quality check. So that's for the sound quality check. So that's for the sound quality check.
Both action cameras give you the quality and stability you need when you're recording your videos. Though Action 4 brings you a more natural feel. It's sharper and the images are more crispier. But if you're recording without an external mic, I'd go for the X4. The audio is less muffled and more audible. Pero sabi nga nila, why choose when you can have both?